On Saturday, October 21st, I watched a fashion show live for the first time ever. The event was the Delhi Times Fashion Week, showing the works of Kingshuk Badhuri, Kanika Sehgal, and the IWP Academy. An hour-long show consisted of Indo-western, ethnic, traditional, and festive wear. To begin with, Kingshuk Badhuri, an outstanding fashion designer, showcased a festive metallic gold collection of dhotis, kurtas, and gowns. Glittering gold set the tone of the evening. There were both western and traditional wears, with the Indian dresses combined with dark colored embroidery shawls. The horticultural look of the collection was a class in itself. Born in a small town in UP, the designer has been back to back doing fashion shows and is a name to reckon with. He is also a designer for Bollywood celebrities. Overall, the show dazzled in gold. Indianness effused in the Kingshuk show because of the ethnic attire and classical Indian background music to which the models matched their walk. The second ramp walk exhibited a collection of western wear including jackets, trousers, skirts and dresses by Atia. The sober colored garment could be as much of a party wear as can be worn in offices and colleges. The third section transcended from the golden to bright fluorescent monochrome gowns, bodycon dresses, saris, and dhoti saris. The bright colors of violet, black, peach costumes in delicate and vibrant designs were the work of the IWP Academy. The collection included simple draped saris to flowy gowns. Finally, the event came to a close with designer Kanika Sehgal showcasing a collection of saris and designer blouses. Certainly, the stylish draping of the saris can set the trend for the festive season for the youngsters. The showstopper Mansi was draped in a silvery white sari. On the whole, the Time Fashion Week show was a comprehensive experience, giving an insight into the fashion trends that will rule in this festive season. In addition, I got a chance of close interaction with the models and fashion designers.